What's up, everybody? Today we shopping for 4 shipped orders at once. I'm gonna show y'all how the pros do it. They got 2 hours to complete 4 orders. It's like 7:55. They open at 8. They're not trying to let me in. Just trying to do my job. Alright, so when doing 4 orders, you're gonna want to separate them all. You're gonna want to use 2 cards. So I made a shopping list. All 4 orders got their own color. So now we have blue, orange, yellow, and green. So I already started working on them, got them separated, just to expedite the process.
Alright, so you just dropped off those 4 orders. I'll go through how the experience was. After I showed you guys how I separate the orders in the carts, I finished shopping for the orders. The shopping was pretty easy. There were a few items out of stock. Luckily, the customers were very understanding and very easy to work with. I suggested a different size of mangoes for one customer and they approved of the substitution. I informed another customer of a few items out of stock and they said it's okay to remove them from the order. They responded pretty quickly. I ended up finishing shopping around like 8:50. I bagged the items in the parking lot. I separated them in my car. I put the 2 small orders in my trunk. I separated them one side of the trunk and the other side of the trunk with a divider in the middle. Put the first big order in the back seat and the second big order in the passenger seat, just to have them all separated. I bagged them at my car just to speed up the process, so I only had to bag them and then put them in the car, not bag them, put them in the cart, take them out the cart, put them in the car. Saves you time. The first customer was actually one of my regular customers. That's why I took these 4 orders, because one of the customers was a regular who I knew would tip. So I dropped off for my regular first. That was around 9:20, 9:25. Then I headed to the second customer. The last 3 drop-offs were all within about 10 minutes from each other. So I dropped off the second order around 9:45. The third order was around 9:50. And the fourth and final order was around 9:57. So I was able to drop them all off on time, thankfully. I got to the store at 7:40, 7:45, but they didn't let me start shopping until 8, so that kind of messed up my planning. When planning the orders, when separating them in the carts, I took a look at all 4 orders. I found the 2 smallest orders, and I put those 2 small orders in the top of the carts or in a basket on the bottom, just to create a small section for them. And then the 2 big orders were next to the 2 small orders. So 1 small, 1 big in one cart, 1 small, 1 big in the other cart. I don't recommend you do 4 orders if you're new, unless they have different delivery windows. I recommend you start with 2 or 3 if you're trying to do multiple at a time. Once you get more familiar with the Shipt app and the process, you'll be able to do 4 at a time. But be careful, make sure it's easy to shop orders. These orders were mainly all food items, so those are the easiest to shop for. Also, I made sure to check the customer addresses to make sure that I'd be able to drop them all off in time and plan a route that worked for me. So the order pay for 4 orders from Shipt was only about $35 and change. Luckily, I had my regular, who I know will tip about 10 to 15 bucks. I think it was 15, so that'll get it to $50. And then I still have the 4 other customers who could potentially tip. Hopefully I'll get 1 or 2 from those customers as well to bring it up to 55, 60 bucks for the 2 hours. That wouldn't be bad at all to start the day. So now I'm currently waiting for a Uber or a Grubhub order. Most of the restaurants are opening shortly, so we'll see how that goes.
Drop